Can you tell me what this is?
No.
This here? What did you build?
Melon. Apples. There.
Yeah.
Campers.
There's apples under there?
Wheels.
Yeah, it's a camper.
Wheels on it. Wheels.
Mm-hmm.
See wheels.
I see, yeah.
Wheels on it. A copper. And car. And cars. Shirt. One car.
Did you build that all by yourself? Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Uh-oh.
Oh. Well, it's okay. I got a picture of it.
Down.
Yeah. You built that all by yourself. That was really neat.
Eat. You can build one camper, one.
Oh, you're going to build a new one?
No one.
Okay.
No one. No one. Here. No one. No one. No one. No one. No one. No. See? No one.
I see, yeah. This one's not as structurally sound as the previous one.
Build one.
There.
Build one.
Oh, it came apart again. Maybe turn that piece around. Maybe it would work better.
Huh?
Yeah, try turning that one around. There you go. Hmm.
Oh no. Oh no. Turn around.
There.
Here they.
Thank you.
Here they. Seat. Turn around. There. Turn around.
Oh, no.
Part.
We'll put it back together.